spirit of Christmas is alive and well, because I really didn't want to go outside, but I gotta mail these Christmas gifts. You'll never guess what I have to do after I take the packages. Go to the grocery store. I forgot to get eggs and the tape to wrap presents, and we're out of laundry detergent, and I have the world's largest pile of laundry that I need to do. So to Jewel we go, and then we'll see what happens for the rest of the night, because I'm not going anywhere after that. The gifts have been dropped off. I feel like at FedEx they never pack the packages in front of me, so I always get worried they're going to send the wrong gifts to the wrong people, because I rarely go to FedEx with just like one thing, you know. I usually try to save everything up for one journey. So let's hope everything gets to the right person. It was really hectic in there, so that's the only reason I'm like, hopefully they put everything in the right labels and stuff. So we'll see. Even though I will say it's way less cold than yesterday, so it's not that bad. We made it. I'm not seeing any tape so far, but we're looking. Maybe I need to go to like the school supply aisle. Oh wait, I found it. Here we go. I'm gonna get perhaps, I don't know what the difference is, but I'm getting this green one. Dang, I want to get this one, but it's locked up. So I'm gonna get, I guess, this one. Now we get some detergent, the eggs, and the cheese. So come along, let's hope they have the detergent I like. They didn't last time, so I don't have high expectations. I don't think they have it. So this is when it comes down to getting one that I don't normally get, and I never know which one I want. I might just get regular. Is that tea? I don't know. I usually get the sport one. I don't know if it actually does anything, but we'll go with the regular today and see. Because I just genuinely need to do laundry. Okay, we need Kraft singles, because that is what is used for the breakfast sandwiches. I've been wanting to make cookies. Should I get these? I think I'm going to, unless they have some holiday ones. We'll look. Okay, no holiday, just the Wicked cookies, which I don't want. Okay, they also have the Chobani cookie dough creamer, but I'm not gonna get that either. All right, I'm just gonna get eggs. Do I get 18 or 12? They're looking gorgeous, so we'll get these. Now we go to the checkout. I just realized I've gone to Dunkin' like 0 times during Vlogmas. It's just been so cold, and I usually get an iced drink there, but maybe I'll go and try a holiday flavor at some point. So maybe stay tuned for that. I know no one probably cares, but I was just realizing that I totally planned on doing that, and just it's been way too cold for me to want to go outside and get an iced coffee. Okay, we're doing day 3 of the advent calendar. Where is it? Ooh, it has Robbie on it. Let's see what's inside. All right, let's see. It looks like all of the bags have been red. I figured some would maybe be green. Sorry, I don't have my filming assistant tonight. Let's open it up. If you missed day 1, we got this red French bulldog. And if you missed day 2, we got this green candy. This is kind of an awful setup, but let's open this real quick and see. What do I think it'll be? I think it'll be from the fruit series. Ooh, it's from the flower series. It's pink. Wait, that's pretty cute. It has a little gingerbread shirt on. Okay, wait, what type of flower is this? Is that a dumb question? Here's day 1, day 2, and day 3 all together. I think this green one's still my second favorite, but I do like that gingerbread man shirt. That's pretty cute. Also, if you hear noise in the background, Connor's gaming, but filming doesn't stop for gaming. I think I'm going to end the vlog here. We're just gonna watch TV, and then that's all for today's Vlogmas. I also want to thank you guys for 140 subscribers. That is super exciting. So if you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas.